Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve some MCQ and MSQ type of questions of GATE BT 2022. So let's get started. So first question is that adenine can undergo a spontaneous change to hypoxanthine in a cell leading to a DNA base pair mismatch. The correct combination of enzymes that are involved in the repairing this damage is, and this particular question is MCQ type with 2 marks. So this particular damage is known as base excision damage, and the repairing system is known as base excision repair system. So in base excision repair system, first glycosylase enzyme is involved. Glycosylase enzyme involved which removes nitrogen base by hydrolyzing the glycosidic linkage in between nitrogen base and sugar. After that, this glycosylase enzyme, next enzyme is involved, DNA polymerase is involved. DNA polymerase synthesize DNA strand. DNA polymerase synthesize DNA strand in case of long patch as well as short patch repair system. After that, this DNA polymerase enzyme, next comes DNA ligase. Next is DNA ligase which ligate DNA strand. So for this question, correct option will be nuclease, after that DNA polymerase, then DNA ligase. So option A will be right answer for this question. Next question is match the media component used in mammalian cell culture in column 1 with its respective role in column 2. P option is for hydrocortisone, Q is for fibronectin, R is for epidermal growth factor, and S is for riboflavin. Riboflavin is vitamin B2. So this option will go with option 2, that is vitamin. Next is epidermal growth factor, that is EGF. EGF actually controls, or better to say, it actually responsible for cell division. So this is somehow mitogenic factor. Mitogenic factor means that factor which is responsible for the cell division. So this option will go with mitogen. So 1 is for R and S is for 2. Next is fibronectin, and it is extracellular matrix. Extracellular matrix is responsible for cell attachment. So this Q will go with option 4. And last one is hydrocortisone. Hydrocortisone is cortisol hormone, which is type of steroid hormone secreted by adrenal cortex. So this is hormone. So P3. So from this P3 R1 Q4 S2. So P3 Q4 R1 S2. So option A will be right answer. Next question is introduction of foreign genes into plant cells can be carried out using. This is MSQ type of questions with question mark 2. MSQ means here 1 or 2 or 3 or all the 4 options can be true. So let's see the options first. First option is agrobacterium. Second is CaCl2, that is calcium fluoride mediated plasmid uptake. Third one is electroporation, and fourth one is gene gun. Agrobacterium mediated plant cell transformation is found. So the agrobacterium option will be right. Next is CaCl2 mediated plasmid uptake. This is responsible for bacterial cell, not the plant cell. So this option will not be applicable for this. Electroporation is applicable for both the plant cell as well as bacterial cell. In case of electroporation, through the electric pulse, the pore size of the cell membrane is increased. That is why the plasmid can be uptaken, and through the gene gun process, plant cell can be transformed. So option A, C, D will be the right answer for this question. Next question is that match the cell type in column 1 with its function in column 2. This is a MCQ type of questions with 2 marks. In column 1, P for B cell, Q for neutrophils, R for T cells, and S for mast cell. In column 2, 1 for humoral immunity. Humoral immunity is associated with somehow plasma cell, or plasma cells is also known as differentiated B cell. So 1 will be for option P. Next is cytotoxicity. Cytotoxicity, T cell is of two types, that is cytotoxic T cell and helper T cell. So cytotoxicity will be associated with T cell, that is option R. Next is histamine associated allergy. Histamine associated allergy is related with mast cell or sometimes basophils. So in this question, mast cells are denoted. So option 3 will be for option S. And last one is phagocytosis. Phagocytosis means to eat foreign pathogens or foreign any particle. So this particular function is performed by neutrophils. So option Q is for fourth number. So in this case, P is 1, R is 2, Q is 4, S is 3. So P1, Q4, R2, S3. P1, Q2, P1, Q4, R2, S3. So option B will be right answer. So this is for today's session. Hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching and keep learning.